This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto.
हाय फ्रेंड्स
And welcome to Guesto's Bite It.
आयज आमी आसात मिरामार.
विचार भोवपाक न्ही
ना.
पार्कां लायल्या मातशी मजा करपाक.
बरोबर. आता पण हांगा पयल्या तुका भुरगीं दिसता जाता खूब पण आनी 4-5 दिसांनी हांगा कोण भुरगीं दिसपाना कित्याक स्कूल स्टार्ट जावपाची आली.
Seriously, school starts जावपाचें आसा. Avinash, what was that favorite thing when the school reopens for you?
स्कूल जेन्ना पयलो दिसा तूं जेन्ना स्कुलान वता तेन्ना तुका फ्रेंड्स मेळटात. अरे वा मजा केली, ही मजा केली, ती मजा केली. तुवें बुक्स घेतले, तुवें आनी कितें घेतलें, न्यू कंपास घेतला. ही वेगळी एक्साइटमेंट आसताली भितुली. तुका कितें दिसतालें अशें कितें करपाक?
For me, during my school time, tiffin, bags, everything was very important.
हय.
आणि ते टिफिनान आसता is more important.
तो तू कितें हाडला रे टिफिन ब्रेक म्हणजे हेचे इंटरवल जालें की तू कितें हाडला रे डब्याक तू कितें हाडला ती एक पळोवपाची जी मजा न्ही ती वेगळीच आसता मजा. आनी आतांच्या हेतूर मगो ते सँडवीच बर्गर आनी हे ते खावन भुरगीं कोक सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक म्हणा कितें आसा ते
उपमा
हा.
आणि इडली. म्हाका दिसता today we should try something that. म्हाका दिसता चड उशीर काडूं नाका, let's go.
Schools are reopened. New school bags, tiffins, water bottles, uniforms, and excitement to meet friends and teachers. For some, this is the first year of schooling. To help us towards the nutrition of students, we met one of the mother who is a teacher by profession, Sheila Naik.
सो आमचे ट्रेडिशनल टायप जे ब्रेकफास्ट आशिल्ले उपमा पोहा इडली हे दाखोवपाक आमच्या बरोबर आसा शीला नायक मॅम. वेलकम मॅम टू आवर शो.
Thank you for
Yeah. Ma'am, today what you're going to show us? We are fed up of having those burgers and sandwiches and I'm sure the kids also must be fed up.
I'm sure it's reviving because this is something very traditional we used to do. Even in Goa, they call it sanna or whatever. We call it hit.
Okay.
It's nothing but a idli dough, but it is steamed in these cups. They're prepared out of jackfruit leaves.
Okay.
And this is how we keep 4 leaves and then go on folding. And I'll just show you in case you're interested to see. I've just made all of them. Can be done very fast and it's very nutritious. As it is, idlis are nutritious, but when you do it in this, it has an additional flavor of jackfruit leaves. And cooking time is only 20 minutes. These we don't call them very quick, very fast breakfast, but then all these things can be kept ready previous night. And morning time, it takes only 20 minutes to cook. So that's the advantage. Most of the housewives or most of the people are free in the evenings, so they can keep this ready. Early morning, they can cook this and give it to the children. It's very healthy, nutritious. This is already preheated. The idli dough I pour into this and just keep the timer for 20 minutes and cook it for that.
Ma'am, what do you have added in this dough?
Actually, it's idli dough in the sense urad dal of 1 measure.
Okay.
And then 2 measures of idli rava. They call it idli rava. Otherwise, we used to grind. Idli rava is ready made. You have to only soak it. But urad dal you have to soak for about 5 to 6 hours, and then grind it very well, and then keep it overnight.
Okay, grind it and keep it overnight.
Keep it overnight.
And I think the working mothers, they can grind it and keep it. Morning
Keep it,
just
yeah,
you just
that's
steam
right.
it and it is ready.
Cooking time is just 20 minutes.
Okay.
So if all these things are kept ready, cooking is not a problem, and it's normally served with chutney or sambar or even pickle, whatever, or chutney powders are available now. I can allow it to cook for 20 minutes and it will be done. 5 minutes are already done, about 15 minutes it will be ready.
आमची हांगा इडली कूक जाता ती कूक जाता मेरेन दुसरी आमी एक डीश पळोवया टिफिन डीश कितें आसा ती नेक्स्ट डीश.
Yeah, this is called vegetable bath or
Okay.
tomato bath. You know, its main ingredient is semolina or rava,
या
wheat rava, and then we add tomatoes, onions, some green chilies, coriander leaves,
Okay.
and for nutrition we add additional sprout, moong
Okay,
sprout.
fine. We'll start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just fry some onions. I've already put some oil.
ओके
Semolina is already
Fried.
fried and kept. Okay, because these things why I did was it can be done previous night.
Okay.
Nothing is going to spoil. These are the fresh things to be done in the morning. But as I've done, rava can be fried previous night.
ओके
And then onion with the turmeric now. I added turmeric, oil and onions. Can be fried for some time. And now I'm adding onion, tomatoes also. Some green chilies. About 4-5 green chilies slit and already kept ready. I'm adding those. This is about 2 cups, so I add 4 cups of water, and
okay.
allow it to cook. And as it is getting cooked, I add salt. And I'll let it cook on low fire
ओके
for about 10 minutes. So by then both these things will be ready. And once water is boiling and it's cooked, I have to just add rava, moong and coriander leaves.
Okay.
These are to be added fresh. Now our 15 minutes or 20 minutes are over, and these idlis are ready. So I'm just taking them out and can keep it for a few minutes. Then they can be served with chutney or pickle or whatever it is. This is the ready one now. Now that this is ready, cooked, you know, inside the onions, tomatoes and green chilies are cooked. Now we can slowly pour in the fried rava, okay, which is already fried and kept. That can be poured. Together with that, I also add coriander, then I add the sprouted moong and just mix it very well, stir it for 2 minutes and it's ready. Just cover and keep for 2-3 minutes, then we can shift and start next one. Especially this not copper bottom, entirely copper vessels are used for these things, you know, and they retain heat. See, and normally we use coconut oil for this.
Okay.
Yeah, that gives us special taste for these things. Coconut oil. Then I put some mustard into it. And I use some red chilies slit and kept already. And some curry patta. And since I put red chilies, I'll put
Plus green
little
chilies.
less, yeah, little less of green chilies. The next thing to be done is this brown, this thing is to be washed well, yeah. See, the washed pohe is put inside.
Ma'am, you have taken the brown poha. जे
Yeah.
गावठी फोव म्हणतात
Yeah, gaunti
ते.
fow and unpolished pohe it is. And that's why they call it very nutritious. And then immediately once this is a bit wet only, we add 2 spoons of sugar and a spoon of salt for taste. And this is almost the quickest that you can have.
खोबरेल तेलाची फोडणा प्लस आमचे गावठी फोव. It's going to be really very nutritious and very quick as
And
ma'am says. Yes,
grated,
and grated
grated
coconut.
coconut. All made of coconut mostly. Yeah. It tastes also good. But normally if there is grated coconut, there is no need for coriander leaves or even other ingredients. Because
So
by
it's
itself,
done? I think,
it's done actually. In 2 minutes it's done. It's almost done.
So आमचे breakfast come healthy tiffin is ready. Ma'am, thank you so much for showing our viewers such wonderful and healthy dishes. I think we'll taste it now.
Please taste it and see before you speak. It's better you taste and then tell me how it is done. Can I serve you? And another tip for this is like idlis. If anything of this remains at all, normally it doesn't remain, it's so tasty that it's finished. If it remains, we can make a upma out of this. So
just
this with
crush
same
it.
green chilies and fodni.
Okay.
This can be
So
done.
you all need not worry if the idlis are remaining behind. And ma'am, how to open this?
Yeah, so it can be opened like a jacket. Straight away. this
Okay.
way. If you want to preserve them, sometimes if their leaves are less and more thing remains, you can slowly, with the help of spoon, remove
You
it.
can.
Otherwise, straight away you can put it into your
Wow. The
And-
shape itself is such a beautiful
and
one.
you can eat it with normally we make chutney or this chutney powder is there.
Okay.
And
I would go with the pickle.
and you can add some coconut oil also to the pickle.
To-
But the pickle
okay,
is
also.
always with some oil. Yeah.
So Avinash, म्हाका दिसता चड टायम काडत आसतना we should start eating.
Just tell me because